Hello, welcome to my channel.
Have you ever imagined a recipe that is quick, delicious, and transforms simple ingredients into an incredible dish? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Spanish potato omelette, also known as tortilla española, a classic recipe, super easy and perfect for any meal. It's golden on the outside, creamy on the inside, and with an aroma that will make everyone's mouth water. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal the secret to making this omelette perfect. So, get your ingredients ready, and if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, because our recipes will win you over with their flavor and practicality.
Ingredients. For medium potatoes: 6 eggs, 1 medium onion, optional, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt to taste, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, optional. First, wash the potatoes well, peel them and cut them into thin slices, about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. The more uniform the slices, the better the result. If you are using onion, peel it and cut it into very thin slices, almost transparent, so that it melts in the omelette. Now, take a large frying pan, preferably non-stick, about 25 centimeters in diameter, and add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Heat the oil over medium heat until it is shiny, but not smoking. With the oil hot, add the sliced potatoes to the pan, spreading them out well to form an even layer. Season with a generous pinch of salt and, if desired, a pinch of pepper. Let the potatoes fry for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally with a wooden spatula to prevent them from sticking, until they are soft and begin to brown slightly on the edges. We don't want crispy fries here, but rather something tender and juicy. If you opted for onions, add them along with the potatoes right at the beginning, and you'll smell the incredible aroma filling the kitchen as everything cooks together. When the potatoes are ready, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain the excess fat. Set the oil in the pan aside, because we'll use it again. Now, take a large bowl and crack the 6 eggs into it. Beat them well with a fork or whisk until they are well beaten and have that vibrant yellow color that makes anyone's mouth water. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the cooked potatoes and onion to the bowl with the eggs and mix gently with a whisk, stirring everything together so that the flavors combine. The texture will be thick, but that's how it is. That's the secret to an authentic Spanish omelette. Go back to the stove and heat the same skillet with about 2 tablespoons of the remaining olive oil. It's already full of flavor from the potatoes, so don't waste it. Pour the egg and potato mixture into the skillet, spreading it out evenly, and lower the heat to medium-low. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the edges start to set and the bottom turns golden. You can peek at it with a spatula to check. Here comes the bold moment. Take a large plate or flat lid, place it over the pan, and with one quick, confident movement, flip the omelette onto the plate. Be careful not to burn yourself with the hot oil. Then slide the omelette back into the pan, uncooked side down, and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, until it's firm but still juicy in the center. No dry omelette, eh? When it's ready, transfer the omelette to a pretty plate, let it rest for about 2 minutes to let the flavors settle, and voila, a golden masterpiece, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, ready to shine on your table. The secret I promised?
Don't overcook it. The residual heat finishes the job and keeps it moist and irresistible. And the extra tip to feel like a chef? Serve it with a drizzle of olive oil on top and a sprinkle of smoked paprika for a chic Spanish touch. Cut into generous slices, invite someone you love over or enjoy it alone, and feel the pride of mastering this classic. So, is your mouth watering? Now you know how to make the best Spanish potato omelette. If you like this recipe, like it, share it with those who love home cooking and comment below what you thought. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.